So we have an object following the path 1 over t, comma t cubed. And we want to figure out the velocity of the object at t equals 4, the horizontal and vertical velocity. So the vector v of t is going to have horizontal velocity here, vertical velocity here. And it's going to be as simple as just taking these derivatives, the derivative of 1 over t and t cubed. So again, we should rewrite 1 over t as t to the negative 1, so the power rule becomes easier, because now we multiply by negative 1, and then we subtract 1 from the exponent. Negative 1 minus 1 is just negative 2, so our x is negative 1 over t squared. The x prime, sorry. Negative 1 over t squared. This one's going to be easier to see the power rule. It's t cubed, so that's just going to be 3t squared. Okay, so then we want to figure out what is v of 4. So that's going to be negative 1 over 16, comma. Let's do 3 times t squared over here. 3 times 4 squared. 3 times 16, that's 48. So we have negative 1 over 16, comma 48. So this is our horizontal velocity, that's our vertical velocity. It just in units per second, or like whatever the units are, divided by whatever the units of time are. Okay. Yeah, so I just realized I said that this is meters, we're traveling in meters per second. So this is negative 1 over 16 meters per second. This is 48 meters per second.